Hi, welcome back to my tutorial. Today, I will show you two ways to create a massing building by Greeble. The first and easiest way to create a massing building is using plan. I will create quite a big plan with 100 mat length and 100 mat width. Then I add more segment on that. The more segment we create, the more density the building are. So back to the perspective view, we had super density building massing. Now with the Reboot, we can modify the height of the building. It will react randomly. And back to the plan, we will reduce the segment and we have the bigger building and less density than previous. The Greeble also has many functions to modify the shape of the building or adding some widget on the top of it to make the building look more variant and nature, like in the real city. Now we come to the second method. This method will create much more detail the massing building for the urban scale. At first, we create a rectangle. This rectangle with 150 length and 100 meters wide, and then I will add more line on the rectangle. This line will become a road later. Will become many road later. Then we select all these lines and back to the modify panel, we find the SP line offset. Select that and we will have the offset boundary belong this line, and in there we can control the length of the offset. In here the number 10 is quite good, I don't want to change more. Now we select the rectangle and do some subtract action by using the combo shape boolean and doing subtract this line out of the rectangle, and now we have many building slots. Then open the layer panel and create a duplicate on this. I will create the copy and with the name the building, and the original layer I will rename it to the footpath. Now I turn off the footpath and go to work with the building layer. Then we back to the modify panel. We select the shape boolean and now we do the chamfer on the building lot. Don't forget to select all the elements in the boolean parameter. Follow that, all the corner will be chamfered. Before adding Greeble on that, we need to create a mask on that by swap mask. Without mask, the Greeble can't work on the SP line. Then we add the Greeble on our building blocks, and now look at the perspective view. We have the quite nice building block. Now we go back to the layer panel and turn on the footpath, turn off the building. We turn to work with the footpath. At the building, we to to create the modify on this corner by using fillets, and then we add sweep, select sweep and add it on. With sweep, we have our footpath quite weird. We should to control its parameter to make sure the thin enough like a footpath. Now the most important here is the width of the footpath. We want the footpath more bigger than the building block, so we iterate it number. Then we finish with the footpath. Now we will turn on the building layer. This is our detail mode of the massive building for urban scale, with the footpath, building plots, and road. I will change the color of the footpath to make the building plot more clear. See you the next episode.